do our final song tonight, we want to just thank you for coming, and we hope that you've enjoyed this. We really hope that this has helped to make your Christmas brighter, and that we've been able to help you just basically come to understand that Christmas is more than just toys, more than just giving, but it's about the birthday of a baby who came to be a king. And we certainly consider it a privilege to be able to do this with you tonight, and we hope that you've really enjoyed it. We want to just remind you that we have a Christmas Eve service here at 4:30 on Christmas Eve. And if you'd like to come and visit our church, if you're looking for a home church, we would invite you to stop out in the lobby at our Welcome Center. And we have an event response out there. And if you would like information on finding Christ as your Savior this Christmas, or maybe you're looking for a home church and you're looking for a place to go, or maybe you have some questions about our church and would like to find out more about our church, we would ask if you would stop out at our Welcome Center. We have a gift that we'd like to give you, and you could just register on one of these event responses, and then someone from our staff will follow up on what your need is. But it's been so great to get together with you and to be reminded that Christmas is about the birthday of a king. So on behalf of all the Sounds of Christmas staff, we want to thank you so much for coming, and we hope that you have a wonderful and a Merry Christmas as we sing this song about the Christ child.
And the tears when he got his first teeth. Almost everything about this little baby seems as natural as it could be. This baby made you see. This baby made the star shine in the sky. This baby come and change the world. This baby rides on the sun. And the sound of his voice, there was work to be done as a carpenter's son, and all the neighbors said he's such a fine boy. This boy made the angels sing. This boy made the star shine in the sky. This boy had come and changed the world. This boy was God's only son. This boy was like no with the life that he lived and the death that he died. He showed us heaven in his hands.